What's going on, guys? I want to show you a trade that I just took right now. Quick scalp. Got about 12, 13, maybe 14 points on it. What I'm looking at here, big chart, we're looking at the NASDAQ 100. I'm playing the hourly. So I'm actually looking over here at this monitor, which has my Top Step X platform and my Apex platform so I can execute. But I'm looking right here at my Thinkorswim platform. What I'm noticing, Bollinger Band. Okay, so look at the Bollinger Band kind of curling up here, acting as some support. Big level that I'm looking at here is the 200 SMA. Okay, on the 1 minute, or excuse me, on the 1 hour time frame. And the reason why I'm looking at the 1 hour time frame, these levels are strong. So you can see the previous hour candle came down and it tested the 200 simple moving average. Great. This current hour candle confirmed that short position. Okay, so if you're a scalper, a little bit of a trade that you could have taken there to the short side. Where are you trying to cover? Well, let's look at the overnight lows. Okay, let's look at the rising Bollinger Band. We are selling into support, right? You're selling into demand. If you're going long, you're selling into supply. You're selling into resistance, okay? So I was finishing up my personal brokerage account. I traded a little bit of Tesla, traded a little bit of NVIDIA today. And I glanced over because I was about to lock out my Top Step X account. And I started to notice that we were bouncing off of the Bollinger Band. And when I noticed we were bouncing off the Bollinger Band right here on the 60-minute view, I wanted to see if we were going to remount. Okay, so what is a remount? A remount is when you lose an area of support or you break an area of supply and then you remount it. You get back over it. You get back under it, depending on if the setup is long or short. So as we started to bounce off of this Bollinger Band, all I'm looking at is a 60-minute view. This is a very strong level. It's not like I'm watching 1 minute candles where it's going to go up. Let me turn the squawk box down. It's not like we're watching a bunch of 1 or 2 minute candles where it's going up and then back down and going up and then going back down. I'm looking at a firm level. So yeah, maybe you're going to give yourself a little bit more leeway in terms of a stop loss, in terms of the wiggle room. But as soon as we got over that 200 SMA, boom, I fired. Okay, I fired, I executed. You have to be able to click the buy button. You have to be able to click the sell button. If you're hesitant and you're telling yourself, well, I want to see a little bit more confirmation, maybe this, maybe that, you're already dead in the water. Okay, so understand what you're looking at, be able to execute. As soon as we got over that 200 SMA, boom, I click the buy button. I get in immediately with 3 micro contracts and then scale in another 3 micro contracts. So I was trading about 6 micro contracts and I took 13, 14 points off the trade. And I just scaled out. Why? We're coming into supply. So I'm selling into supply. Now, does this have a chance to get going and get back over VWAP and get back over a bunch of other previous candle highs? Sure. Not my problem, not my concern. I wanted to get in, make some cash, get the hell out, end my Friday, enjoy my weekend. Okay, so with that being said, just wanted to bring that to everyone's attention because I just traded this setup. I want you guys to kind of look at the 200 SMA. I want you guys to focus on the hourly chart so that way you guys can start to get familiar with some of the bigger levels of supply and demand. Because again, these bigger levels of supply and demand are going to be your lifeline. Okay, they're really going to be your lifeline. If you guys want to try it out, and you guys want to try trading the 60-minute chart and using it for some levels, Apex is 90% off. Use code DAnthony. Those links are down in the description box below. I will catch all of you guys next week. Have a fantastic weekend, guys. Remember, don't do anything stupid. Don't blow up your accounts. Live to trade another day. I'll catch you guys next time.